Lemongrass tempeh with vermicelli salad. Prepare the ingredients. Add half a cup of water to a saucepan, add quarter of a cup of maple syrup, add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, turn on the heat and bring to the boil. Boil until the liquid reduces by half. Then remove from the heat and set aside. Cut 1 carrot into matchstick sized pieces, cut 1 cucumber in half lengthways, and slice into crescents. Slice 1 radish in thin strips, chop 1 large clove of garlic, slice 1 red chili, slice 2 lemongrass sticks very finely, slice 300-gram block of tempeh into thin pieces, roughly chop quarter of a cup of peanuts, roughly shred 1 lettuce. Heat a pan on a high heat, add the tempeh in batches, and cook until brown on both sides. When brown, turn over and brown the other side. Then remove from the pan. Add a little water, add the garlic and lemongrass and saute. Add the cooked tempeh, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, add half a cup of water to deglaze the pan. Remove from the heat. Place the vermicelli in the center of a board or plate. Place the lettuce on the side. Place the carrots on the other. Place the cucumber. Top the vermicelli with the cooked tempeh. Place the radish on top. Sprinkle with some chopped nuts. Add the chili to the sauce. Pour the sauce into a bowl and serve.